After the final low salt buffer wash, keep the caps closed and remaining on the stand. All 3 tubes that you're working with should have the beads along the magnet and the low salt buffer removed. Set a timer for 3 minutes, but don't start it yet. Open one tube and add 25 microliters of the elution buffer. Vortex. Flick your wrist down, place in the 95-degree heat block, and start your timer. Repeat with the second one. Vortex to suspend beads, but only a wrist flick so the beads don't completely settle. Being sure to add it to the heat block at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then repeat with the third. Samples are placed in the heat block at 30-second intervals to provide time for solution removal at the next step, and add it to the heat block at 2 minutes. Set your pipette to 30 microliters, and at 1 minute, which is 2 minutes after the first sample is placed in the heat block, remove it from the heat block. Flick it with your finger, pulse spin, and place on the magnetic stand. Once the beads are to the side, pipette off the solution and into the new tube. At 30 seconds, repeat with the second. Each tube is in the heat block for 2 minutes. Since we started the second sample at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, it is ready at 30 seconds. And when the time is up, the third sample will be ready. You will notice that the tubes containing the beads remain on the stand with the caps closed. This is to prevent them from drying out. After the third sample is finished, the whole process is repeated 1 additional time, and a total of 50 microliters should be in the final tubes. Here I am showing a close-up of the suspended beads and how quickly they are pulled to the magnet. In real experiments, you should prevent the droplets shown by pulse centrifuging.